Hey there crew, it's Mark from Men Who Bullet. Thanks for hanging out. Today we're going to be doing a monster stationery haul. So much stationery that I'm going to have to break this video into two parts. But today we're going to be going through all the amazing things that I got from Archer and Olive from their fall collection. And I also got, total surprise to me, a really nice care package from Kay from Stuck On Creations. She asked for my address. I didn't ask her any questions, and then I got this great bag of stuff today that we're gonna go through. In a follow-up video, I'm going to be going through my cute thing from Japan, Eric's small things. I don't even know what to call it. It is an amazing collection of things, a brand new collection from Eric's small things, so I'll have that as a quick follow-up to this video. So let's go ahead and first check out all of the stuff from Archer and Olive. I was a good boy this time, and then we'll also go ahead and check out the things from Stuck On Creations. All right, let's go ahead and start with our Archer and Olive purchase this time around. I was a good boy. I only got 4 things. 2 of them, technically 3 of them, from the fall collection. I did get one of the enamel pins from the current design team, and I also got one of the Bring Back Your Favorites washi tapes from last year's Halloween release. So let's go ahead and start with these guys here. Let's take a look at the notebook first. That's why we're all here, let's be honest. So of all of the different notebooks and all of the different designs that they had, and I had a really hard time figuring out which one I was gonna get, I finally decided on the one, well, that looks like this. This was the fountain pen with the ink there on the front, and I went with the square notebook as well. I have another square that I was holding on to, but I thought, you know, if I'm gonna get a notebook, I would go with a square again. I think I might be coming back to the squares in the near future, so I was excited to get my hands on this one. What's cool is they did change their packaging, which I thought was really nice. So usually we just have like the white ones with Archer and Olive. This time around they went with their theme for all of fall. So you can see that it has the gold foil. It's very shiny and cool like that. And then I also noticed on the inside of this box, we have some new things as well. It says Archer and Olive creates mental wellness, creative tools, and experiences that foster connections with your own artistic expression. Share your creative journal with us at Archer and Olive, #creative wellness, archerandolive.com. And then it also has a code on the inside that you can use. Share this code with a loved one so they can get 10% off, and they can use Share the Love 10 for new customers only. So if you know someone who is not already an Archer and Olive fan, you can give them that code. You can also send them my affiliate code at any point if you want to, Men Who Bullet 10, and that's for 10% off all the time, whenever you want to use it. But I think that's a very nice code nonetheless. So let's check out this notebook. So it's square. We have this really beautiful golden print here with the ink bottle. I really like this one a lot because I thought, you know what, I'm getting more into fountain pens and things like that. I like this one. I think it worked out really well. We've got it in the square dot grid journal. So as we open that up, you'll see the dot grids inside of here. I really enjoyed my time with my square bullet journal. It was a lot of fun. And like I said, I want to go back to it eventually. So I thought if I would, this might be the one. And I would, like I said, I was very good this time around. I didn't go nuts on notebooks because I could have. After that last video I did where we counted them all up, I've had a little bit of an awakening, so I've been very good about it. All right, the next thing that we bought, I had to get this because I feel like this is my new collection thing. So in that last subscription box, we got our first peek at the wax seals, and they came with the cool little head. This one had the lemons on top of it, went with our whole theme. When I did my prediction video, I actually predicted that we were gonna start to see more of these wax seals because when something does really well, especially like these wax seals did, usually Archer and Olive starts to release more of those things. So when I saw this was included in the fall collection, I thought, well, Mark, you gotta get it. We have some new packaging here as well, similar to the other notebook. This one has the little notebook stand, the little candle, and the flowers here on top. Whereas the square notebook here had the feather and the ink bottle here. So what's cool is that you kind of get like this early theme of what it's going to be. And I believe that the stamp on this one actually has the, let's go ahead and try to pop this thing out of here. Come on out, there we go. All right, so this matches what's on that cover there. So if you can see that, it's got the stack of books, it has the flower on top. So that's what's inside of this one. I like it a lot. These also do come off, so if you like the handle from the other one, or if you just want to kind of put the handles away and just keep out these tops, something I might think about doing, maybe, I haven't made a decision yet, you can start to do that and you can interchange them. I would really, really love to see a collection of just the tops of these. Now that we have 2 wax kits out here in the wild, one out to the public, one if you had the subscription box. I would love to see more of the tips there, just as a collection without the handle, or maybe it's a handle and like a 4 or like a 6-pack of those tips. That would be cool. And now we have some extra wax too to use. So I got to start using these. I got to start sending more letters, and then I'll start using them. All right, let's go ahead and check out. So I got one of the design team's pins. So the one that I ended up going with was Dano's. Excited about this. I thought it was a really cool design. And also what I loved about this one is that Dano and I share a little bit of background. So he is from Portugal, Portuguese. My background and my ancestry is Brazilian Portuguese. So I thought that was really nice. And he said he picked this design because it reminded him of the stained glass that he's seen throughout his life. On the back of all of the pins, similar to the one that I had done, they asked me what inspires you or what kind of keeps you motivated. So here's what Dano had to say. What inspires me every day is my loved ones, and watching how they work hard to accomplish their goals. It inspires me to do the same and to be the best version of myself. Life can be a beautiful experience if we open our minds and express ourselves to talking to one another, or to create something beautiful out of something not so beautiful. If I had to choose one word for my inspiration, that word would be life. So I really love that a lot. So excited to have this join the rest of my design cohort's pins and have that on there. So awesome to see that. All right, the last thing that I got from Archer and Olive was actually a bring back. They brought back some of their favorite items. We saw a bunch of stuff from Elizabeth Gray. We saw the Galaxy Drip. We also saw, oh gosh, all kinds of favorite notebooks and washies and stickers. And the ones that I did not get last year were actually the Halloween washi. And I say this all the time where I'm like, I'm not a huge fan of washi, but every now and again, I do find washi that I like. And I thought this was really cool washi that we got here. So it's a set of 4. One of them has like cool leaves and like jars on them. We've got the serpent and the sun. We've got spiders. We've got beetles. We've got stars. And what's really cool about these is that if you give them enough light, they actually glow in the dark as well, which I thought was really neat. Not that I ever use my bullet journal in the dark, but you never know when you might need some other washi. Absolutely love all of the goodies from Archer and Olive. Really excited to get this notebook on my shelf, join the collection, and then eventually use that in the near future. You know, I really feel like it's in the future. Maybe not my next one. I have some ideas for my next one, but in the near future. All right, let's go ahead and check out these amazing collection things from Kay from Stockholm Creation. She's a good friend of mine that I met through Instagram. She's an amazing shop. And for this one, we're going to be doing a top down because there's a lot of cool things. I took a little sneak peek inside of the bag, but that's it. So let's go ahead and go through it. All right, I'm super excited to check everything out. Look at that packaging. How cool is that? All right, this one says Neutral Washi Bundle. So if you want to check out Stockholm Creations and all of her goodies, I know she does a lot of bundle things with it, so this is one of them. So this says Stockholm Creation Sage Days. So it's like a sage green with some of the little bows on there. That's super cool. Neutral Grid. Always got to love a good neutral grid whenever working with washi. I like that. This is called Neutral Rainbow. So we're going to set a little rainbow design on here. And then we also have this one here, and this is Neutral Stripes, which makes sense. There you go. Neutral washi, neutral named everything. Very cool. Check out this one. This says our other washis we have available. Available. Yes. All right. What do we got going on here? All right. This one just says Stockholm Creation, stickers, and more. So we have like a bit of like a galaxy background that looks like with some of those bows that we saw on the other one. So that's super cute. Another one here. So same type of general layout, but like a little bit darker colors. Ooh, this is cool. Viv will steal this one from me in a second. All right, this one on the front says Summer Bundle Washi 2022. Some astrology signs on there. That's super neat with like silvery looking little shinies. Oh, look, it's a little rabbit. It's like our backyard rabbit, Timothy. This will be for him. And then we've got another one, Hearts and Stars. So a cool little design there with hearts and stars. It's awesome. More to add to my washi collection. Viv would like a few of these. I know right off the top she will take the astrology ones and anything like space themed. All right. And now we have this big old package here with some stickers, plants. Oh my goodness. What is this? Let's take out this little, oh my goodness. Okay, you sent me so much stuff. Oh my gosh. All right, let's move over to the side. So this says goodies in the sticker form. I see that. Oh my gosh, look at these. I'm going to have to redo my entire sticker collection now. That's what I'll have to do for these. All right, what do we got on top here? Ooh, look at that pumpkin. Look at that shine. I've never seen anything like that before. It's like broken glass over top of a pumpkin. That's so neat. Here's a little mushroom house. Same treatment. I don't know. What do you call that? Treatment? That's neat. Stickers. All right. Stuck on Creations. D105 purple. D105 green. Oh. Well, like color themes for these. Pumpkin and spice. So we've got our purple ones here. Leaves and trees. Got to have the pumpkin spice latte for sure. And then the same design here in greens. And then the same designs here in the oranges. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to like rethink my entire sticker strategy now. Stuck on Creations. Ooh, days of the week. I love these. They're nice just to pop right on your page, not have to write anything. Makes it so easy. These are super cool. Oh my goodness. No, she did not. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? Oh my goodness. She always jokes, her and Erica from Craft and Knitted always joke that birds aren't real. And they used to ask like, well, have you ever seen a baby pigeon? And I don't know that I have seen a baby pigeon, but that doesn't mean that they're not real. Oh, this is beautiful. Springtime Elegance, Deco page 2, robin eggs and flowers and books. Oh, that's so pretty. Here's the first page. Books, flowers, tea kettles. This is neat. Feathers. Ooh, these are beautiful. Springtime critters. Love the springtime critters. Look at these. Bees and birds and frogs and rabbit butts. That's so cute. Ugh, I'm going to use the hell out of those. Those are awesome looking. Oh my goodness. To ever get into the fall, but like some of this could totally be fall. I've got butterflies flying outside, but like these books and colors, oh my goodness. All right, pen pals and book deco page 1. I'm always a fan of any type of stationery, notebooks, paper clips, pencils. Page 2, notebooks, typewriters, pen and quill. This is awesome. Ooh, that's cool looking. Called Shapes, just kind of like a splatter paint with shapes on it, hexagons and diamonds and whatnot. It's like the reverse of that. That's cool. You could like write something right inside of there. We got more. That looks almost like crocheted, right? Ooh, grids on the inside. Oh my goodness. Axolots? We have an axolot collection? Those are adorable. Oh my goodness. And mail deco. Oh, that's awesome. Little cute little faces on it. Mailboxes and stamps and all kinds of fun stuff. Oh my goodness. This is insane. This is so much stuff. All right. Random goodies. You spoiled me, Kay. This is beyond amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got sticky notes. Like the sticky notes that are on these. Little flower there on the side. That's super cool. Oh, that's pretty. I didn't even know that you could make your own Post-it notes. Is that weird that I don't know that? That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. My wife will love that one. Viv or Violet will love this. The stars on it. My goodness. Are these cards? These are cards. That's me. I'm Pisces. Oh, like a postcard. Duh, Mark. Duh. There's a few postcards. This is a card. Postcard and a card. That's super nice. With the astrology signs on it and a little envelope. Oh my gosh. It's like a whole collection. Get out of here. I think that is so beautiful. We got a card and we got the postcard. I can use like the wax seals that I got from Archer and Olive on these. This whole collection is stunning. And a whole notepad. Oh, this is pretty stuff. Oh my goodness. And I'm not even done yet. Like there's another like container of things. 2 containers of things. Handmade notepads in-house by yours truly. I didn't know you could hand make notepads. I didn't know you could make your own notepads. What do I know about anything? How do you hand make? I gotta ask her, like, how do you hand make a notepad? Because it's got like the sticky stuff on top. 50-page notepad. Oh, yes. Sorry. That was a weird, like, automatic response. It's plants and notepads. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my goodness. It's like all different patterns. That is so neat. And then this, I'm so excited about this. 50 sheets, 100 pages, reusable sticker album, 5x7 silicone release. What? Reusable sticker album? I've never heard of a reusable sticker album before. Sorry, if you can see my face right now, I'm perplexed. Do you put stickers on here? Oh my gosh, you do. It's like sticker, it feels like a sticker sheet. Do I do it? Dare I? It's like, so you can, I guess, so you don't keep little ones, like you keep them all inside of this book. I don't know what to do. I don't know which one to use to try it out on. I don't want to mess anything up. Let's do these maybe. Can you, I guess you stick it on here? It does. And then can you take them off easily? They do. No effing way. That is the coolest thing ever. It is. It's like sticker paper. So you just stick your sticks on here. Stick your sticks. Stick your stickers on this, and it holds on to them. Like, it looks like it's holding pretty good. Oh, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, Kay, you went above and beyond. This was amazing. Thank you so much. I do not deserve the amazingness that was inside of that care package from Kay. Oh my gosh, that note, those stickers, the sticker book, I've never even seen anything like that before. I'm so excited. So now I have to re-go and reorganize my entire sticker collection and include all of those new stickers into that. Oh my gosh, I love Stationery. It is so much fun. I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Again, I'll have a quick follow-up to this video with all of the cute thing from Japan's and my Eric Small Thing purchases that I made from them. That's gonna be a long video because I know I'm just gonna gush over the things that I got. So I'll have that in the very near future. I'll check you later. Again, thanks so much for hanging out. See ya.